what is the cancer scenario at national level and especially in Goa, because as you are rightly, just now you mentioned that you see quite young ladies getting
Yes, yes.
cancer, breast cancer in Goa, and I think that is so we are. It is alarming sign for all of
Alarming.
us.
Yeah, yeah. See, I worked in different states in South India.
Yeah.
I'm working here for the last 2 years. I think one shocking thing what I've seen in Goa is the age group is very young. I'm not only talking about breast cancer. I've seen a lot of young patients in the early 30s having stomach cancer, pancreas cancer, liver cancer. I think recently I go to a lot of places to give talks also, and that is the main reason because I want to focus on the younger people.
Yeah.
They're taking it very lightly, and the incidence is so very high among the younger generation. Probably because of the lifestyle practices, I would say the dietary habits. Drinking is a major risk factor, and consumption of red meat. As we know, consumption of pork, beef, mutton, these all are proven to cause cancers of the intestine. It is not my statement. This is
Yeah.
proven by the World Health Organization. It has got 17 times the risk.
Acha.
So people who consume red meat every single day will definitely develop cancer in future. So it
Acha.
is basically the dietary habits. And in Goa, the alarming statement is it is very common among young patients. So that is a very sad thing. That is the reason we are here to encourage younger population to come forward and to get examined at the earliest.